Hi everyone, a very good afternoon. Hi Hina, hi, hello. Hi Priya, hope you're doing well. Hi Shahida. As you all know that we are doing exhibition at Hyderabad, so we are so excited that we just can't wait to see you all there. And this is a great opportunity to us also as well to see you all in person. So we just can't wait. Hello, hi Anupama, hi Srinivas, hi. Hi Aman. Hello everyone, very good afternoon. So Hyderabad people, how are you feeling right now? Link दिखाएं. Definitely will show you the latest collection at our exhibition as well and on live. So we are doing exhibition in Hyderabad at Novotel HICC, and Hyderabad people must know about the Novotel HICC hotel. So we are doing a High Life exhibition on 13th, 14th and 15th of July, which is just coming soon. And yeah, for those who are planning to visit our exhibition, let me know. I'll just send you the e-passes so that you can join us to explore our latest collections at our stall. And for those who want to pre-book their items, like we have total 175 customers who have already pre-booked their items. And what they have done, that some of them have paid 50% at the bookings and the rest will pay at the stall. So you have two options: either you pay full for the pre-book and the rest you can collect it from our stall on any day. It can be 13th, 14th or 15th of July. So yeah, please plan exhibition in Bangalore. Definitely Shanti will do. As this is our first exhibition in Hyderabad, so we are very thrilled to join on all of that. But yeah, next we do have Bangalore, Bombay and whatnot. So पहले exhibition कर लेते हैं हैदराबाद में, then we'll move forward to other cities. हीना तानर, definitely मैं हिंदी में भी बात करूँगी. I'll speak in English as well and I'll just cooperate so that किसी को understand में कोई easy ना हो, they can understand easily. तो हम लोग का एक्सिबिशन है हैदराबाद में ऑन 13th, 14th एंड 15th ऑफ जुलाई. सो वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड, यू नो, दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट एक्सिबिशन, हम लोग का पहला एक्सिबिशन है. सो जस्ट सो मच एक्साइटेड एंड हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है टू सी यू ऑल इन पर्सन एज वेल. सो या, वी आर एक्साइटेड. येस, सो वी आर. सो वी जस्ट कांट वेट टू सी यू देयर. Anyways, so now let's start with the earrings, necklaces, all the latest collections that have just arrived. So I'm going to show you that, and yeah, let's start. Okay, so first we have this baby top, which is also called as second top as well. So yeah, you see this. I hope the video is clear. My voice is clear. If not, then just let me know in the comment box. Okay, so this is the baby top. The stone is Swarovski in 14 karat gold. This is how the first looks like, and the back of the earring. This is how the back looks like. And yeah, I told you na, this is the second top. Second top as mean जो आप ऊपर पहनते, for those who also go for the second earring like this and the top of the earring. And this is how it looks. So either babies can also wear, even you can wear it as a daily wear. For those who are looking for a very minimal and yet lightweight, this is the best one. ये सबसे बेस्ट है क्योंकि आप इसको डेली भी पहन सकते हो, इससे कोई आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, आप कभी भी इसको ईजिली कैरी कर लोगे. एंड फॉर दोज हु आर लुकिंग फॉर द बेबीज, फॉर द किड्स, दे कैन वेयर दिस टू. And this is real gold 14 carat with BIS hallmark, and इसकी प्योरिटी है 58.5% प्योरिटी. So this is how the earring looks like, and the back with hallmark. So take a screenshot if you are interested to buy this product. And you guys won't believe, ये कल ही हम लोग ने स्टोरी लगाया था एंड दिस गॉट सोल्ड आउट विद इन 2 hours. इतनी जल्दी सेल आउट हो गया. सो अगेन हम लोग ने रीस्टॉक कर लिया है. बट या many customers, like a lot of customers had ordered this one earring, and again this is restock. So yeah, price for this baby top is only 1900. तो आप इसको सेकेंड टॉप में भी पहन सकते हो, विच इज़ लाइक दिस. आप इसको एज अ सेकेंड टॉप भी पहन सकते हो, नो वरीज. Now next we have very similar, but yet it's a different a little, but almost same. Stone, it's a gold, pure gold. So this one is also for daily wear, and this is gold top. So as all can see, this is a gold top, pure gold top, and this is how it looks.
18 carat.
And this is an 18 carat. ये वाले 14 carat नहीं है, this is an 18 carat with BIS hallmark. एंड आप इसको सेकेंड टॉप में भी पहन सकते हो, विच इज़ अगेन इट्स फाइन फॉर दोज हु आर लुकिंग फॉर अ सेकेंड टॉप इज वेल. एंड दिस इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर द किड्स. लाइक इट्स वेरी easy and convenient to wear. And price for this is only 4000. Also this has Chennai screws, as you all can see this. This has Chennai screw. 4000 for this baby top, which is in pure gold. Take a screenshot if you want to order this earring.
Full gold. Okay.
So this is full gold and with 18 carat. Now next we have this choker that I'm wearing, and it's in baby pink color with sage green beads. These are the drop beads, as you all can see. These are this sage green color, and this comes with the earring. So I'm going to show you the earring as well. This comes with the earring with the drops of sage green and light pink beads, and this is very, aesthetic color. It's very minimalist color, kind of a, you can say it's a pure pastel color. So yeah, this is again for those who want in something light and yet easy to carry. So this is the perfect choice to make. And yeah, so this is 14 karat gold, and this set, that is this set, which comes with choker and earring. तो जो मैंने set पहना है, ये earring and ये choker, total is only 30,000, which comes with BIS hallmark. So you all can see this. This is in light baby pink color beads, and the drops are sage green. So yeah, you all can see the earring as well. This is a very pretty earring. So I'm just gonna zoom in so that you all can see this. It's very pretty earring. So yeah. And price for this whole set is only 30,000. So take a screenshot if you are interested to buy this choker set, which comes with the earring and the choker. And all these are very latest collections. So yeah, also for those who are planning to visit our exhibition, do come and visit, and along with that, come up अपने group के साथ आओ, with your friends, with your relatives also. So yeah, that would be very much fun for like 3 days continuing. Okay, next we have this necklace. It's very pretty and it's very astonishing. I mean, just see the necklace first. This one, Kante necklace, which is again Hira Mandi inspired. This is in 14 karat gold Kanti necklace inspired by Hiramanti movie. Okay, so let's talk about the details here. We have got sage green beads, like the drop beads are sage green, and the rice pearls. At the center we have got this very pretty maroon color beads. It's very pretty and yet amazing. And the stones that have been used are all Swarovski. So yeah. Also this comes with the dodi. You all can see this. So yeah, price for this is only 66,500. तो ये एक कस्टमर का कस्टमाइज प्रोडक्ट था. बेसिकली हम लोग के पहले जो कांटी नेकलेस था उसका पूरा कस्टमाइजेशन किया गया है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द कस्टमर प्रोडक्ट लुक्स लाइक एंड ये आज डिस्पैच होने वाला है. सो या दिस इज़ हाउ द प्रोडक्ट लुक्स एंड प्राइस फॉर दिस नेकलेस इज़ ओनली 66,500. So you can also pre-book this item. आप अभी pre-book कर सकते हो और you can either you can pay full or you can pay 50% and the rest payment you can do it at our stall, whatever is convenient for you. So this is the Kanti necklace and yeah, price is only 66,500. Now next we have got this Navratna Mala. It's very pretty color. I mean, you all know the Navratna needs total 9 colors. So we have this 9 color of beads, and this is very amazing color as you all can see. It has got all 9 colors. So wait a second. Yeah, this is how the Navratna Mala looks like. It's very pretty. As you all can see this. This mala has got total 9 colors of beads. And yeah. This has total double line. So this is how the Navratna Mala looks like with double line of chain. This is also in 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark with 58.5% purity. And this is 26 inches, so it's a very long chain. This is how it looks like. I'm just gonna show you the colors of the beads, which is very pretty, and you know this is how the beads looks like. I mean, just look at the colors of the beads. This has got total 9 colors. This is how the mala looks like, and yeah. So 26 inches and price for this kindly DM us. We just don't know the price exact. So DM us the screenshot of this mala. Soon we'll definitely will drop you the price for this mala. Those who are interested to buy this mala, so just take a screenshot and send it to us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted down as a pinned comment. We'll send you the details for this mala along with the price. Okay. Now next we have this hoops, which are very being trendy, and it's always a trendy. Like आप इसको कभी भी पहन सकते हो, ये this never goes out of trend. So yeah. And this is like all time favorite for those जिसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि क्या ज्वेलरी रहे और क्या पहने for the daily wear. Mostly women go with this earring. So these are the hoops. This is in medium size and in 14 karat gold with the round hoops in medium size. This is how it looks like. And price for this medium size is only 5,000. Next we have this in small size, a little small, but yet it's the same. This one, the price for this one is 4,000. So for those who are looking for a daily wear hoops earring, this is the perfect choice to make. And ये बच्चे भी पहन सकते हैं, like any kids can wear this. So again, this is the perfect one. So yeah. I hope you all are taking screenshot if you want to place an order or more details. Anyways, let's get back to the chain. Again, it's very perfect one, and this has just arrived. So yeah, this one right here, this is in 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. And this comes with the BIS hallmark again. So this chain has Swarovski stone, as you all can see. These are the Swarovski stone right here. I mean, the finishing quality and everything is so good. Also, the back of the chain, I'm going to show you the back of the chain. This is how the back of the chain looks like. And the front, which has got Swarovski stone. And price for this chain is only 13,500. So take a screenshot if you want to book this chain right now. 13,500. Do not worry, this will be still available at our stall. But for those who are not planning to visit our exhibition, jo Hyderabad ki nahi hai, like they can book from here itself. So yeah, how to book or how to place an order? Take a screenshot of this product or any product you are interested. DM us on our Instagram page or the number that I have posted down as a pinned comment. So you can straight away DM or WhatsApp. आप दोनों में से कोई भी कर सकते हो. इधर आप Instagram पे आप स्क्रीनशॉट सेंड कर दो और आप अपने WhatsApp नंबर पे, हम लोग ने जो नीचे लिखा हुआ है नंबर, आप उसके WhatsApp नंबर पे हमें स्क्रीनशॉट भेज सकते हो. रेस्ट डिटेल्स विल बी प्रोवाइडेड. So this is how the chain looks like, and price for this is only 13,500. Okay. Next we have this infinity bracelet, which is also a customer product, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you how this looks like. I think I got one. मैंने उल्टा पहना था, but no worries. And this is adjustable, definitely. So yeah, this is how the bracelet looks like. This one is infinity bracelet, which is in 14 karat gold, and this is adjustable. तो आप कैसे पहनोगे मैं बता दूँ. This is how you can wear. It's very easy to adjust and wear it. So I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna wear this. This is how as you all can see this is how it looks. And yeah, this is infinity bracelet with Swarovski stone. It's a little tiny heart over here, so this is for the adjustable, it's very pretty color. So yeah, you can take a screenshot for this bracelet. And price for this bracelet is only 20,000. The size is pure adjustable, which comes with BIS hallmark and with 58.5% purity. This is how the bracelet looks like. It's very pretty. So take a screenshot so that अगर आपको order place करनी हो, or if you want to know more details, अगर आपको कोई details चाहिए regarding like weight, making charges and etc, so you can just take a screenshot. Next we have this very pretty ring. It's beautiful ring and I'm just wearing it. So yeah, this one right here, this is beautiful 14 karat gold ring with Swarovski stone. And oh my god, like the stones are so pretty, it's so astonishing. Like as you all can see in this, it's like perfectly made, it's so fine color and everything is so good. Finishing is so superb. And this is just arrived. Like yeah, this is how it looks like. And yeah, this is also 14 karat gold with Swarovski stone with BIS hallmark. The size that I'm wearing is 16. अगर आपका 15 है, 14 है और जो भी size है आप हमें DM कर दो, so that we'll make on order basis. Yeah, but this is readily available. So if this is your size, then take a screenshot and send this to us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted down. Price for this ring is only 8,500. You all can see this, very pretty. This is how the back looks like. And yeah, so I hope you all are taking screenshots for the ring or for any item that you are interested. 8,500 for this ring. So yeah, now next we have this again, this is a bracelet and it's very pretty again. I mean, this quality and everything are so good, like you can see it clearly. Yeah, again this one, which is in flower pattern, pink ruby stone and polki. This is how the back looks like and the front. Let me just tell you the exact price for this bracelet. So this is pink flower bracelet with 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity, and this comes with the BIS hallmark. 9,000 is the price for this bracelet. So take a screenshot if you are interested to buy this one. $9,000 is the price for this bracelet. Okay. Now next we have this maroon beads. So I'm just going to show you how this looks like. It's a set basically which comes with the earring, and it's very latest collection. And this is also our customer product which has been customized. So I'm just gonna show you. This is how it looks like. I told you this is a very beautiful product and this is a very latest collection which have just arrived. So yeah, this is how the whole set looks like. So this one is in maroon beads necklace set with earrings, which is in 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity, and this comes with BIS hallmark. Okay, you all can see this, right? The necklace and all. The details for this necklace so pretty. I mean, the pearls are semi-precious and the beads are also semi-precious, which is in maroon beads. And this here, it's a rice pearl, and the polki stones are really good. They're like side tikra over here, and the same design आपको इसमें earring में भी मिल जाएगा, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो. It's the same design, है ना? It's almost the same, and but this the collection of this necklace, this is so pretty, and this is a very latest collection. And yeah, the price is also affordable, no doubt. And price for this necklace set is only 15,500. So take a screenshot if you are interested to buy this necklace set, which comes with the earring. I'm just going to show you how the earring looks like. This is how the earring looks like, and yeah. Anyways, and so the necklace. The necklace is so pretty, like the maroon color. It's very pretty. So 15,500 is the price for this set. So take a screenshot if you want to buy this, and straight away DM us on our Instagram page or the number that I have posted down. Next we have this pretty color. It's a pretty purple color. Like, this is one of my favorite one. So yeah, you'll be amazed by seeing the color of this one, as is a pretty purple color. So yeah, I told you, right? This is a pretty purple color, which is again defines the color, which is a luxury color. So this is how it looks like. Why is it like? No, it's fine. So this one is in 14 karat gold, purple long mala with side tikra. So total tikra we have in this mala is total 6. 3 on the left, 3 on the right. So this is how it looks like. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. And yeah, the back, the dori itself, this is how it looks, and the front. The tikra is polki stone and green beads and the green stone as well. So this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna show you how long it is. This is how long, and the color. Like, oh my god, the color is so luxurious color. Like, this is one of my favorite. This is the reason why I call favorite, because of the color. The finishing and everything is so public. And yeah, so the day we have posted this one on our reel, we have got so many DMs for this one especially. And iske orders itne zyada hai, so we had to show this in the live because this is one piece. So 25,000 is the price for this long mala, and yeah, with this 6 side tikras. I'm just gonna show you again so that you all can take a screenshot again. So अगर आपको order करनी हो ना, आप screenshot ले लो and हमें भेज दो on our Instagram page so that we can send you all the details. So take a screenshot. 25,000 is the price for this mala. Now next we have this butterfly changeable earring, which has got total 3 stones, like 3 changeables. So this one is the butterfly earring with 3 changeables, one in red, second in yellow color, and third is in green. As I told you, there are total 3 changeable colors, one in red, second in yellow, third in green. So this is how the earring looks like, and this is very affordable. The price for this is only 6,000. I'm just gonna show you how this looks like. So this is how the earring looks like with the side thing. So it's very easy to wear. Yeah. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. Price is only 6,000, which comes with total 3 changeables, one in red, second in yellow, and third one is in green. So you can change according to whatever your outfit is or your mood or whatever it is called. So आप इसको कैसे भी change कर सकते हैं. It's very easy to change as well. So I'm just gonna show you that thing on live. So this is the one in red which is already worn. I'm just gonna take it out. It's very easy to take it out. It's done and easy to put in. So this is how in green looks like. 6,000 is the price for this earring. Okay. Next we have, this is in set. It comes with the pendant and earring. So I'm just gonna, पहले मैं start करती हूँ आपको earring दिखाना, फिर मैं आपको pendant दिखाऊंगी. Oops. And I have just a second. Okay. So the earrings first. This is in black stone, polki stone, and this is how it looks. The earring, and the same is the pendant. This is how the pendant looks like. So this is a black set which comes with black stone and 14 karat gold, which comes with the pendant and earring. This is how the earring looks like, and I have showed you the pendant. Also, the price for this set is only 7,500. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. अगर आपको ये प्री बुक करना है then you can do that as well. आप इसको अभी प्री बुक कर सकते हो by paying 50% now and the rest at our stall and collect your favorite item. So do come along with your friends, best friends, your mom, your sisters, relatives, anyone. This is how it looks like with the pendant, and 7,500 is the set for the price. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I hope I'll see you all at our exhibition very soon, and can't wait to show you all the latest collection. And yeah, those who are coming, those who are planning to visit exhibition, they're gonna see the latest collection, and I think they will be the one who will be collecting all the stock. And yeah, so For Bangalore, we'll definitely plan later, but for Hyderabad is first and next later. So that's it for today, guys. For the next live, we'll definitely update you through our stories. And for those who are planning to visit our exhibition, just let me know or just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number or DM us your name. For those who are coming along with like +1, +2 or +9, so we'll send you the e-pass so that you can enter and it will be easy for you to visit our exhibition. So we'll send you those e-passes to each one of you. So yeah, thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye.